Start by removing the bolts that hold the blower to the engine and the lid bolts. You want to remove the lid to make it easier to access the snout. You can either prop the supercharger up to gain access or remove the blower entirely. Using the tools shown here, you will need these to remove the factory pulley. If you need them, let us know and we can supply them. Using a 7/8 inch socket, torque the pulley to 60 foot-pounds. It is very important the grease cap is installed. You should be able to press it in with your fingers, but it is designed to be a tight fit. A light hammer tap might be necessary. The M4 bolts should be torqued to 25 inch-pounds. We do recommend using blue Loctite.